Most people are completely missing what GoHighLevel just released. There's one hidden AI update that could change everything. And in this video, I'm gonna show exactly what this is, why it's such a big deal, and how you can use it in your business today to get ahead of everyone. So what is this big GoHighLevel update? Is it Ask AI? Okay, is it the vibe coder? Is it the new AI agents? Is it the AI workflows? Is it really any of the AI features you see in here? Because there's been a lot of updates. But what is it? I'm just gonna tell you right now. It is the fact that AI is now woven into the entire high-level CRM. Now you might be like, well, I kind of already understand that. Let me tell you this. I've never shown this before in any video I've done. And it's because it's just been released. So high-level used to just be a CRM. Now it is basically an AI-powered business solution, because what you can do now with AI, and it's not just Ask AI, it's all of these AI features, is you can use the AI to build more AI. It's never been like this before. And you can even have AI edit high-level. We're talking on agency view as well, editing your SaaS plans, editing your rebilling. It has now been woven into high-level entirely. Because if you come over here, you'll notice they got rid of AI Studio. That used to be a thing. You notice? It's not there anymore. Why? Because they integrated it into these other features like Ask AI. It is all built into one. And if you remember what AI Studio was, it was building agents to do tasks for you. So like when this happens, have this agent go and send a review request to someone. It was like automations on steroids, but now it's not even automations. It's all being wrapped into one sentient AI agent. This is extremely powerful for you to understand, because what I'm about to show you in this video is the full power of what these different features can do. And it's not just, oh, hey, this thing can build you websites. This thing can build you AI to build you more AI. Does that make sense? Because with Ask AI, for example, you can have it build AI agents and then schedule recurring tasks to have those agents build more agents. It is like this whole ecosystem now where you can have AI do it all for you. And the agencies that understand this right now and start using this, as I'm going to show, are the ones that are going to get way ahead. Like way ahead, because now fulfillment is not the constraint. The constraint will be selling to businesses. But guys, if you have any questions on this, please drop in the comments, because this is such a big update. For such a long time, AI on high-level was legitimately just kind of something to help aid you. Now it is the CRM. They are one now. It is going to be the thing that's going to push everything forward for you, so that you have AI do all of the heavy lifting for you. So let me show you an example of what I'm talking about. So before, when you were coming to high-level and you wanted to build a sub, you had to go into sub accounts or use the SaaS configurator to automatically build an account. You then have to go in, you'd have to build everything out, you'd have to add stuff, build workflows, or use a snapshot. It was this whole kind of very manual process. But now, as soon as you get someone coming in, you can have Ask AI build a sub account, put in a snapshot that, you guessed it, has scheduled AI tasks, and everything is done. Do you see how powerful that is? It is all being done automatically. So we come in here, we'll say, please, watch this, build me a sub account called Declan GHL Wizard 7. And we're going to click enter. Boom, look at that. It's created it. Let's go to our sub account. Let's type in GHL. Look at that. Holy crap. Look at that. Declan Wizard 7. We're in this sub account. Look at this. Do you see this? It created the entire sub account. So if we come back here, you could have the SaaS configurator on the 97 plan, because the AI can build it for you. This is insane, but you can go a step further and build AI with AI. It's AI building AI. Okay, and you can keep going. So if we come up here and we go, hey, I need an AI voice agent and an AI chatbot for this account, please build them right now. Okay, asking me a couple quick questions. We just pick exactly what we want. We want that. And then we submit. Done. Look at this. Both of these are done. Let's quickly check. Okay. Do you guys see this? Do you see how powerful this is? Guys, again, I make a lot of videos, but I had to make this video. And don't worry, there's more to come. I had to make this video because this is changing everything. It really is. AI can now build AI. And the reason you guys have to learn this is a lot of you guys are thinking, like, how can I learn different tech skills? How can I, learn more about high level, which is great and all, but in reality, that's not the focus. Okay, because AI is going to have the ability to do all of this for you, even on schedule. You can schedule tasks. I can say, build me an AI chatbot or post or put all my social media posts every third Wednesday of the month. And boom, social media management is automated forever. Do you see the power of this? The work on high level is going to be completed by AI. Okay, it is. But here's the crazy part. Okay, it's only going to get harder to reach out to local businesses because people are going to get lazier and they're going to try to automate it. I'm being serious, guys. This video literally could change everything for you. And it's not to scare you. It's actually great hope because I'm seeing a massive opportunity right now where beginners, if they're willing to work hard, can absolutely crush with this. We got more to cover. Please drop a comment down below. If you have any questions, please, I want this to be interactive, but I want to break down this concept of an AI command center to you because this is something you need to be doing right now. You need to be really good at using AI efficiently. And believe it or not, it is a skill. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So this is the concept of an AI command center. One human, AI team, 10 to 100x the output, way more impact. You're right here. You control AI. It does social media. It helps with the sales, marketing, design, content, research, data analysis, automation, blah, 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 blah. It does everything in one spot. Okay. But here's the thing, and this is where it gets really important. You are going to be more important than ever because AI, okay, as it gets better, is going to have restrictions, not on what it can build, but on how it can sell people. Because wouldn't it suck if AI robots cold called you 10,000 times a day on life insurance? Horrible. Literally, no one would get on their phones anymore. So they're cracking down more and more on the outreach side of things, which is where the huge opportunity is because no one wants to do it. But you have to get this, guys. This is gold, what I'm telling you right now, because AI can do this side for you. Fulfillment now is done. For the longest time, people struggled with online business models because they didn't know how to do the work. And it was such a learning curve. Now that's gone. AI can be the worker for you. But guess what? AI can't sell it to local businesses. That's where you come in. That's where I am seeing one-man agencies absolutely crushing with this business model. Absolutely crushing because the fulfillment is done. It's so much more advanced. But see, what a lot of you guys are doing is you're kind of learning AI and you're not really using it to the fullest and you're thinking that's what you need to do. You need to become the AI command center where it's you with all your AI agents on GoHighLevel and you're just telling them what to do. And then from there, while they work, because you can schedule the tasks, you spend all your time on getting clients in. And all you have to do, put clients in the system, they'll get results, and you'll crush. And here's the crazy part. The vast majority of people will learn the first part. They go, look at this, I can be in a command center, I built a website. But for no one, you have to be able to get this in business on your hands to make money. That is the whole point. And with this, you can do it. So I hope this is making sense. Now, as you see in here, they have a vibe coder, which builds everything for you. You have the AI agents, you have the workflow builder, you've got Ask AI on the agency view, Ask AI on the sub-account view, and basically AI tasks everywhere. It just keeps getting more AI focused every day. And again, what I'm seeing people do is they keep learning stuff the old way and not properly learning how to do the new way. A lot of it comes down to prompting, which in my private community, which you can get down below for free, I give away a ton of prompts. Actually, in a lot of my videos online, I give away a lot of prompts, but prompting is huge because if you have someone that's already built out a prompt or tested something, they then can add it in and then you can just build it immediately. And let me show you what I'm talking about. So I have an AI agent. It's not in here, but her name is Rebecca. And it's a really good AI agent with all of the settings just the way I like it. I mean, there's a lot of settings here if you look, a lot of settings. And what I did is I had Ask AI build it right here, and then I copied it and put it into a prompt. Again, that's free on my YouTube channel somewhere. You can go snag it or drop a comment down below if you want it. But the whole point is Ask AI can actually duplicate these kinds of things inside of sub-accounts, take it, add it somewhere else. Do you guys see how powerful that is? You can now take what you've already built and move it in a way that you never could before via a prompt. Like, please, if you have questions, drop us down below. This is like such a game changer. Like, if I had this when I was younger, I would be way richer way sooner. But instead, I had to go manually build out the automations, manually build out the sites. I had to do all this stuff on a hard mode. You guys, you don't have to do that. You just need to focus on getting this in the hands of local businesses. It is that simple. So the question then is well, how do I sell this to local businesses? There's multiple different ways. I have a video called 25 different ways to get clients. It goes over every possible way. Ask it down in the comments and I'll send it to you. That video is extremely powerful and that goes over literally everything. But what I've done is I've basically created this free community, which you've probably already heard of now. It's free down below when you sign up with my 30-day free trial. as you see, we got a lot of winners in here. But what I've done here is I've built out basically the ultimate prospecting system. So how to get clients, like systems on how to do it, systems on how to get them on autopilot, sales scripts, AI prompts, basically all the things you need to do to sell local businesses, even self-selling demos. But more importantly, and this is the most important part, is live calls in my community. I mean, we literally have calls dedicated towards this so you can get a custom prospecting strategy. Because again, I'm telling you, I've been right about a lot of things. I've predicted a lot of shit in this agency game. And this is my next big prediction, which is this is where all the money is going to be. The people that can prospect, not the people that can come in and build with AI, because anyone can. My mom could come in here and say, build me an automation that does X, Y, and Z. Anyone can do it. That's not the hard part anymore. It's can you get this in the hands of local businesses? Because what's going to happen is more and more people are going to suck. They're going to keep trying to just build stuff and do it the easy way. No one's going to want to buy it. Everyone's going to be like, AI is really whack because everyone's promoting it. And then you, the person who does adopt this, can get this in the hands of local businesses and actually make money. And that's what I've done in this community. We've basically set it up so that you get the hand-holding you need, okay, to advance. We even run these challenges. This is really cool where people can come in, okay, and they can join these 30-day challenges where we have extra calls. We even do some one-on-one calls where we basically have a 30-day challenge where your goal is to get a couple of clients. And what we even do, and this is what's really cool, is not only is it like a heavy emphasis and hand-holding on getting clients so you get like a big boost of motivation and skills, but I actually give awards away. Like legit awards. Like I give away really hot service-based leads. So like if I have a plumber that wants, a website, I will literally send them to the winner of the challenge. I give away Amazon gift cards. We do all this and it's free to join. Like this community is free. And I know you probably see us on my videos and you're like, dude, he just promotes his community so much. And he's always talking about it. But it's because it's the best community. You can see the testimonials I have. You can see the cases. You can see what I have done. And it's not just me to brag, but it's like I've built something extraordinary that is free. And so many of you guys, I see you in these other groups, these other communities, and you're not getting anywhere. It's because you're focusing on the wrong stuff. You're focusing on just building out shit in high level. Your job, I'm just going to tell you the truth, is you need to learn how to get this in the hands of business owners. I'm telling you, there's no such thing as getting rich quick. It takes hard work. But the biggest thing is just knowing what to work on. And so many of you guys are being led astray by these shiny objects. Oh, Claude code, base 44, or even high levels, just vibe code all day. Like, are you just going to be a hobbyist that just spends money on the subscription? Like, I want to be the guy that tells you the truth. I don't want you just coming on here and being a professional vibe code idiot. I don't want that because you're not going to make any money. Like again, maybe you want to just vibe code. Maybe that's your goal. You have enough money, you just want to vibe code. But I think the vast majority of you guys want to make some income. And in order to make income, you need to have a legit sales and prospecting process. Yes, that's what you've got to have in order to get businesses to buy. And by the way, if you're like, who the hell is this guy in a robe? I've won a ton of awards, as you see on the screen right here, pretty much all the awards. I like to think I've walked the walk. I've done a lot in this space, but I've also predicted a lot of big things that have happened inside of high level from just looking at the data I see and, with experience. And this is the next big thing. Prospecting is only going to become the most important thing. It always was, but it's going to become even more important because everyone's going to get bought out by the shiny object syndrome with high level. So the reason I'm talking about this in this video, because you might be like, well, he's talking about the biggest AI update. Yes, it is the biggest AI update. The fact that high level AI can now build everything for you is the biggest update. But the problem is that update has a downside. And that is that people are going to get so caught up in the, I can just type and build stuff, okay, that they're going to lose track of what's really going on, which is you got to get in and sell this, okay? Like I can yap for hours on that. I really can, but I had to make this video because I was seeing so many people, not just in my community, but other communities, just focusing on these new shiny features, which they're amazing. But you now need to accept the fact that if you can become an AI command center, which anyone can if you know how to type, not even, I still type like this. Once you get that, you're done. Like work is complete. You just need to know the basics of high level. The new goal then is not to be the tech guy, is to be the guy that can sell. And by the way, when I say sales, I don't mean talking fast and scamming. Those people are idiots. I'm talking about legitimately solving business owners' problems with GoHighLevel. That's what I'm talking about. So I've given you a lot and I've rambled and I've just been like really like, oh my gosh, this is all crazy. But what do you do now? Because like you need some sort of plan, because I basically showed you the biggest high level update with AI, but now you got to do something with it, because you now see that Ask AI can build all this stuff. But what do you do with it, okay? Let me show you exactly what you do with it, okay? First off, step number one, you need to learn how to properly use AI. I'm talking about the command center where you're in the middle and you understand high-level AI perfectly and it does all the work for you. That's why at the end of this video, I'm gonna be linking a full YouTube playlist on all of GoHighLevel's AI videos so you can just binge watch and match them. You gotta watch that when it pops. It'll pop up in a couple minutes, so don't worry, but you gotta watch that because that's gonna show you how to become the AI command center. From there, once you understand how to be the command center inside of GoHighLevel, your next job is getting a prospecting strategy. So if you want a prospecting strategy, but you don't want to join my community, even though it's free or you already, whatever, say you're just a hater. If you really, that's your situation, I still can help you out. Like, that's how awesome I am. I can still help you out. I want you to drop a comment down below and be like, what the hell do I do? I'm going to send you the 25 different ways video and then a couple other command center videos so you understand exactly how to get clients and then using some good stuff like some of my sales scripts that I give away for free on my YouTube channel. And in here, you'll see I've got a ton of different sales scripts, but I give a lot of them away for free. That way you know exactly what to do. From there, you're golden. You just need to keep taking the same repeated action. It's as simple as that. We don't want to get too crazy with it. We don't want to go all over the place. We just want to do that. So guys, that's it. That is your quick game plan. If you have questions, drop them down below. If you are interested in this entire private community that is free and that is absolutely amazing with all these free calls, and if you want to talk to me, go down below, sign up with the 30-day free trial or upgrade, or there's another link you can join if you have any questions. That way you can get in and we can chat. But other than that, guys, that's it for the video. I know this one was a bit more kind of like higher level strategy, but you got to know it. You just have to, because if you don't understand this whole thing, you're only going to be left confused, but you're also going to get left behind. And I don't want you to get left behind. I want you to understand HighLevel's biggest AI update and then take advantage of it, because the people that take action are the winners. Okay. So thank you guys for watching. And as you know, like I said before, we're going to be linking that entire AI playlist. You need to binge watch that because that's going to show you how to become an AI command center. Thank you for watching, and watch the video that pops up right now.